Today's goal is to get this Audio-Technica 4033A microphone hooked up to a GoPro. We'll need a special mic adapter, a couple more cables, and we'll be using this Behringer 1202FX mixer. Your GoPro needs to be updated to the latest firmware in order to see the GoPro mic adapter, and I have a video on this. I'll leave a link in the description. We want to make sure that the mic is getting a good signal going into the mixer first of all. So we have it plugged into channel 1. Channel 1 is turned up and the master volume is turned up, and it looks like it's working. This microphone also takes phantom power, which is 48 volts, and this mixer supplies that. So we're good to go. Next, we need a couple of 1/4-inch cables and an adapter which takes the 1/4-inch and adapts it down to a 3.5 millimeter mic plug, and we'll plug that into the GoPro adapter. Okay, now the cables are all connected. We'll plug these into the output of the mixer. Main out channels left and right. Now we've got the mixer hooked up, and that's plugged into the GoPro camera, into the USB port. Now we want to swipe down, swipe over, go to Preferences, go up to Mods, and make sure it says Line In. All right, seems to be working. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you. One quick note is that the mic adapter is sort of acting like it's got a mic input level instead of line input level, even though we've set it to line in. The signal was just a little bit too hot. So to fix that, I just turned the master volume down about halfway, and it's now sounding pretty good. Just thought I'd let you know. Thanks again for watching. Here's the mic adapter we're using. I'll leave a link to it in the description for you.